The honeybee is a social insect upon which modern agriculture is almost completely dependent. These almond trees in California rely upon bees to pollinate their flowers so they can bear fruit. Today, beekeeping is an important industry, and orchidists pay considerable fees to have hives stationed at their plantations when the trees are in flower. In North America, wild bee colonies no longer exist, so agriculture relies on commercial hives. But the beekeeping industry has been hit hard. Colonies are being badly affected as worker bees have been failing to return to their hives. The condition is known as colony collapse disorder, and its causes are unclear. In October 2006, American beekeepers began reporting losses of between 30 and 90% of their hives. Hives with no or a low number of adult honeybees are unable to support the queen. Scientists searching for causes of CCD have identified a number of stress factors contributing to the bees' decline. Pests like the varroa and tracheal mites, the widespread use of pesticides, and even the long-distance transportation of hives are playing a part in the problem, but no single cause has emerged. Other factors such as genetically modified crops and even radiation from mobile phone towers have been cited as possible causes, but there is little evidence to support these theories. Each year in America, pollination by bees is responsible for $15 billion in added crop value, with the Californian almond crop needing 1.3 million colonies of bees every spring.